Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm here again with another special recipe. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Cassandra and I am here to give you the best and simple recipes that are super healthy. So on this day, I was actually making dinner and I just decided to share this video with you. We're going to be making a special spaghetti recipe. So if you're a pasta lover, then you need to stick around to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and also like and share this video. So the ingredients are pretty simple. We have some fresh tomatoes. Make sure that they're properly washed and just slice them up in any shape or form that you want. And the idea of this recipe is actually that natural taste. I know a lot of us use tomato paste, in our meals, which is not bad. But on this day, I just wanted to feel that natural taste from whole foods. And that is the reason why we're just going to be using some fresh tomatoes and peppers. Now, after slicing up the fresh tomatoes, I'm just going to put that in a plate. Make sure that all your ingredients are well arranged. That is actually one of the best ways for you to make your meals. Next up, I'm going to slice peppers. So I remember someone asking me, how do you slice peppers with just your hands, like without gloves or anything? Well, I don't know how I do that, but I'm very good with slicing peppers with my hands, and I don't even feel, the hotness of the pepper. So just do whatever works for you. I used two red chili peppers and two scotch bonnet peppers. I wanted the food a bit spicy and peppery. And that's why I actually use this amount of peppers, but just do what you like, okay, according to your preference. It's almost the end of the year, and I just want to say a big thank you to every single subscriber on this channel. And this is cheers to the road to 10,000 subscribers. We just hope that we make it, to 10,000 subscribers before the year ends. Thank you so much to everybody. Your comments, your likes, your shares, they are all appreciated. So, next on our list is our onions. Onions is very important, and one interesting way to add onions into your meal, if you do not like to see it, is actually to blend it into a paste and then you add into your meals. But generally speaking, I actually believe that onions is a great game changer for your meals. So here I used just one medium size onions, and after that we're going to put this in the plate, and then we're going to slice our garlic. Garlic is another important food ingredient that contains a lot of anti-inflammatory properties, contains vitamins and minerals. So if you have not started eating garlic, I don't know what you're doing. Please, you need to add it into your meals. And the combination of onions and garlic in your meals is amazing as well. So for vegetables, we're going to be using green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and red bell pepper. So just cut them into thin slices, very thin slices. I just wanted to get that beautiful color contrast while making this pasta. This Christmas is a time for you to share amazing recipes with your family and friends, and also enjoy the gift of Christmas. And what other way can we do that if not by making tasty and healthy meals? So this pasta recipe is very, very lovely. For our protein, I'm using salmon. You can use any protein of choice. I just added some ginger powder. I also added some cayenne pepper. You can add any spice of choice. I added some parsley leaves and some garlic powder and a drizzle or just a little bit of olive oil, and then massage into the skin. You also turn this to the other side and repeat the process, okay? So you can use any spice that you want, but for salmon, I just make it very, very simple. Now to the recipe. In a pot of boiling water, you're going to add your pasta. Please do not break your pasta. If you're still breaking pasta, please stop it. Don't do that again. So in a pot, You're going to add some olive oil, and we're going to add a little bit of butter. So we just want combination of both. I'm going to add in the onions and the garlic that we sliced earlier. And we're going to allow this to saute for about a minute to two. So I'm going to show you what it looks like, then you know that this is ready. Now, once you notice the color of the onions and garlic like this, then you know it is time to add the next ingredient. And the next ingredient is some shrimps. Yes. So, I said earlier that this pasta recipe is going to blow your mind. So I added some shrimps, and we're going to allow that to cook with the onions and garlic. Okay. Next thing, add your sliced tomatoes and peppers. I'm sure by now you're thinking, oh, this is actually going to taste so good. And the good thing about it is you can make a sauce with this method and then eat it with your pasta. So at this point, you're going to add any spice of choice. I'm going to make sure that everything is on the screen and also in the caption or description box. Now, once you've added all your spices, you're going to stir this and allow this to cook for some time so that all the flavors will blend together. Okay. Now, this is a very nice meal, and trust me, your friends and family will be wowed this Christmas. So after a while, we're going to open the pot, and this is what it looks like. Remember that your pasta should not be overcooked. So this is the texture that you need for this recipe. It should be semi-cooked or almost ready. Then you add the pasta into the mixture or the sauce that we've created, and now you're going to blend everything together. You're going to turn everything and mix it properly. So we don't create a pasta that is soggy or too sticky or too soft. So this is what you need. Remember to not discard your pasta water. I added very little into that, and then I added our bell peppers and of course some onions. Guys, this was so good. Like, I could not believe the taste from this pasta dish. Just take a look at that beauty. The pasta is independent. It's not soggy, it's not sticky, it's just on its own, and you can enjoy this with any protein of choice. Well, today we're just doing salmon, and I air fried the salmon, and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. So let me know in the comments if you're going to try this recipe, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Trust me to always taste. And when I had this for dinner, this was so good. Look at that salmon, really cooked and really nice. And until next time, I'll see you in my next YouTube video. I love you guys. Do not forget to like, share this video, and also subscribe. And I'm wishing you all a Merry Christmas in advance. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.